Hello, Op here. What I have for you today is this FAB Euro cylinder. FAB is a Czech lock manufacturer purchased by ASSA ABLOY in the late 90s. I have your key right here for you. You can see your bitting. Pretty good. It's got a nice low cut in the front, sort of guarding the rest of the lock. A little bit of variation there. This lock operates very, very smoothly right here. So I'm going to get this in the vise and get it picked for you. Okay, we're all set up in the vise here. Make sure our lock still works. And going to be using bottom of the keyway tension and a standard hook in 22 thousandths. Nothing on 5, 4, 3, 2, little click out of 2, nothing on 1. 5 binding tightly, got him set. 4 counter rotation and 5 drop down. We're going to reset 5 back into a bit of a false set. Now we've got pin 2, a couple of clicks out of him, coming into the back, nothing on 5, 4, 3, some counter rotation, and I think we got him set, but I heard something drop and it's our pin 5. Got pin 5, we're in a very deep false set, counter rotation on 4, back into that deep false set, counter rotation on 3, and we're open. Okay, not too bad there. Gonna get this out of the vise and we'll set up to gut this lock. Get my pinning equipment in here. Not too bad overall. Let me move you out a little bit so you can see. Okay, and I'm actually going to relock it. I'm going to need a little help from the key to open this clip, just because it's kind of at a weird angle and there's a lip, so it's hard to get off. I think I got it right there. Okay. Now follower, and we're all right there. Got all your key pins right here. We got pin 1, standard pin. Pin 2 is a standard pin. Pin 3, oh, trying to get away from me. There's pin 3. Pin 4 is a standard pin, and pin 5 is a standard pin. So those are your key pins. And nothing particularly fancy with the plug right here. Let's get out our driver pins now. And pin 1 is, driver 1 is a standard with a nice spring there. And driver 2 is a spool. Not really a surprise. Definitely felt what really felt like spools on 2, 3, and 4. And 5 felt like a standard, which would kind of make sense since I kept having to reset him. Here's pin 3. That's also a spool with what seems to be the same kind of spring. and pin 4. It's your driver number 4. Also a spool. Looks like the same spring. He doesn't want to come out. We'll come back for him. And then 5, I would venture, is a standard, and he is a standard. And that's the one that we had to keep resetting. Looks like all these springs are the same. Come out, come out. Okay. And there's all your springs. So you can take a look right here at your bitting, your pins, your springs. Overall, kind of a fun lock to pick. The tolerances are actually pretty good on this lock, and it's kind of a fun little lock to open. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you would like to see more, and thank you for watching. This has been OpAmp.